Not many people can say that they wear a £6,700 watch on their wrist. However, this week's winner of BOTB's lifestyle competition, Rikki Tronson, will be able to say just that in a few minutes' time because he was randomly selected from all the correct entries this week, winning this fantastic Breitling Navitimer B01 Chronograph watch. Let's try and get him on a video call and give him the good news. Just before we do though, if you would like to be next week's winner, winning one of the amazing prizes we have in the BOTB lifestyle competition, click the pop-out banner up here or the link in the description below. Hi, is that Rikki?
Hi, Christian. How you doing?
You know who I am. How you doing, Rikki?
I'm not too bad, thank you. Busy.
Good stuff. Yeah, what are you doing at the moment? What do you do for work?
I'm a product manager for an IT firm.
Oh, fantastic. And how's things been? All right?
Yeah, extremely busy.
Now, it's been a long time since I've seen you. First time I saw you was before I even worked here at BOTB. You won a Range Rover back in 2014, didn't you?
I did indeed.
Well, you were obviously very lucky back in 2014, winning that Range Rover. And the reason why I'm phoning you today, you can probably guess, you've been very lucky again. Rikki,
Okay.
I am pleased to tell you that you were randomly selected from all the correct entries for this week's lifestyle competition. You've just won yourself a £6,700 Breitling watch.
Oh my God, fantastic. That's amazing.
So this watch is absolutely stunning. It's a 46mm, as you can tell by the very long name of the watch. What was it about this Breitling that you saw on the website and you thought, that is what I would like to win?
Well, I've been looking at different watches and I'm quite a big guy, and I just kind of like the size of it, and I think I like the obviously because a navigator watch is for pilots, I just like the size of it. So that was the main reason for choosing it.
And I don't blame you. It looks stunning. I love the fact as well that it's a chronograph, so you've got the little dials inside the big dial, and as you say, it's a pilot's watch, so there is so much information on there. You'll have to go and get a pilot's license now just to be able to wear the watch.
Yeah.
So tell me what's going through your head. How are you feeling?
A little bit shocked again, to be honest. Well, the last time I had a call, it was Will at the door. That's quite a few years ago. So,
back in 2014. Fast forward quite a few years later, you're still playing BOTB, which is great, and it's a good job you have because now you've just won yourself this really expensive watch.
That's amazing. Thank you, guys. I appreciate
it. Not a problem. Not a problem. You obviously enjoy playing the competitions.
I do. Yeah. It's good fun. It's my Sunday evenings. Just randomly trying to pick a spot, but I never thought I was going to win another lifestyle. It was just a few tickets really to.
Did you know the answer to the question? I've got it here on the screen. Did you know the answer straight away about the alternator being the thing that charges your battery whilst you're driving?
I've had many break over the years, so I knew the answer.
That's good. So from your misfortune of lots of alternators on your cars going, you know that is the thing that should power it, power of the battery. Well, Rikki, massive congratulations once again, Rikki. Massive congrats. We'll get a watch ordered for you. It's a stunning bit of kit. And we'll hopefully get a picture with you with it on your wrist soon.
No problem at all. Thank you so much, guys.
Hey, not a problem.
BOTB, that's brilliant.
Cheers, Rikki. Bye.
Bye.